Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to lock in, of course, how to unlock your vehicle using your remote control. In this case, it's an Audi A4 Avant. So here we are. We have the remote control in our hand. To unlock the vehicle, we have one button. To lock the vehicle, we have another button. And we can remote open the boot lid. Really cool. To open and close the car, you push only the unlock button on the left upper side. You see two flashes, turn signal, means I'm open now. If you wait too long, after 45 seconds, it will close automatically. But if you like to close the car, you can push the lock button on the right upper side. Then it will be flash once and it is closed. If you like to open the boot lid, you have there another button. Push and hold it for approximately 2 seconds and the boot lid will automatically open. Really cool. Then you're able to enter into the boot or into the trunk, of course, to make there something cool stuff. Of course, if you only open by pushing the boot lid button, the entire car is closed anymore. You only have opened the boot lid. And if you like to close it, push on the boot lid, the button, and it will be automatically closed again. And locked the car. You see, it's now locked again. And you are able to walk away, for example. We do not leave anyone, especially children, in the car if it is locked from the outside. And the car, it will be hot if it is hot condition outside. Something else, that's not a good deal. If you does not stand at the passenger side and open the passenger side, that means the passenger side on the back, on the rear, or on the passenger side on the right front side, you can lock the vehicle and it will be automatically locked, the full system, after you close the doors. But if you perform this with the driver's side door, it will not lock automatically. This stays open, of course, for emergency. That's how you can open and close your car using your remote control keys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.